What's up, guys? This is Charlie from TechInform.us. Today I'm here with a Doctor version 2. Now, what my Doctor version 2 is basically I'm going to be covering all of the applications that have changed in my dock since the last time. Now, I have made a Doctor version 1. If you want, go ahead and click up here. So I'm going to be going into what has changed in my dock. Obviously, I'm not going to be reviewing every application, and we're not going to go into the apps folder yet in this video. So the first thing that's changed, if you've seen my last video, is Chrome. Now, you should have Google Chrome here, but now I have Chromium. What Chromium is, it's basically a developer version of Google Chrome that gets beta releases before Chrome does. And also, as you can see right here, 12.0.742.100 is the newest version of Chrome, but I'm also running build number 88853. So that's Chromium. Basically lets developers join the Chromium projects and basically build their own Chrome. The next thing that's changed in my dock is Time Machine right here. I might add my dock usually isn't this big, and I usually don't have magnification on, but for viewing purposes I'm just going to make it like this. So Time Machine is basically a backup and restore client that is built into OS X. I do not have it set up right now because I just recently got a new external hard drive, and I'm planning to set that up in the near future. So that's Time Machine. The next application is Aperture. Aperture does take a while to open. It is a photo editing application more advanced than iPhoto, but not as advanced as Adobe Photoshop CS4, which we'll be getting into later. So as you can see, we have all these projects. I have my Mercedes-Benz project, and let's say I just wanted to edit some photos. Going to double click on that. And then here on the bottom we have this list of tools. We have all these. We have the blur, sharpen. Let's say I want my retouch. I want to get rid of this video. It won't do as good a job as Photoshop will, but it will do a pretty good job. I believe, I'm not quite sure though, that this is $79 in the App Store. I paid $100 for it when it was $99 in the box. So I have the box version, not the App Store version. So Aperture is really nice. I'm running the latest version of Aperture. So that's Aperture. The next application is all the way down here. Nothing much has changed except address book and in a different location, as is ScreenFlow. So the next application that's changed is Adobe Photoshop CS4. Now the reason I don't have the newest version is because I didn't really want to upgrade, and Photoshop was pretty expensive. It was a pretty big investment for me. I did get the older version. This is CS4, not CS5, and I will not be planning to get CS6. I'm just going to stick with CS4 until I really need to upgrade. But I've done some Photoshop tutorials. As you can see, this is a pretty advanced photo editing application by, obviously, Adobe. We have this list of tools up here. We have tools with different options. I'm not going to go into all of them, but like one tool that I use quite often when I'm editing a photo is the retouch tool, which you go basically into the band-aid right here, and then you have this list of tools, you just hit spot healing tool. Now that will basically do a phenomenal job of editing out pieces of photos you don't want. So that's Adobe Photoshop CS4. The next application that I'm not going to open because it uses a lot of RAM is Minecraft. Now Minecraft is basically a sandlot game or a sandbox game. You can build anything you want. Basically everything's squares. I've done some videos about Minecraft. So check it out. It's only a $20 application. So moving on, next thing that's changed is Inside Job. This is actually a Minecraft app separate from Minecraft. This is basically, I've done a video on it. It basically allows you to edit your inventory in Minecraft. So let's say I wanted to put a whole bunch of fire in my inventory. Click fire, and then I have I can make it 127. Now I have 127 fire. Same goes for every single thing in the game. Let's say I want lava. Drag lava in. Click 127. There we go. then basically just hit save. I definitely do recommend this. If I guess it kind of is cheating, but since I'm on more of the creative side than the actually finding resources side of Minecraft, I definitely find this very useful. The next thing right here actually allows you to just record YouTube videos. So, basically the audio of YouTube videos. So let's say I was listening to a really funny video and I wanted to listen to it when I didn't have access to the internet. I could paste the URL here, it would download it, and then I would have the MP3 file. This is free, and I definitely recommend it. The last thing, excuse me, is TextEdit. This is a default word processing application that's built into OS X. Very simple. So we don't have very many options here. It defaults in RTFs or rich text files, which a lot of applications come with, the readmes or either a PDF or an RTF. So I can't really recommend it because it's built into OS X. So I know I have done a video about a few of these, so I'll give you a minute to click on the link, or basically click on the icon of the app if you want to see the video. And I will also, I might add, I have done a video on Chromium, so click somewhere right up here to watch the video of Chromium. And to see my last Doctor version 1, go ahead and click somewhere around here. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped anybody who wanted to see some applications that they might not own. Make sure to check out the website that I write for at www.techinform.us. Follow me on Twitter at twitter.com/admircus. And I will talk to you guys as I yawn again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.